Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by a valley between Makkah Mukarramah and Medina Munawwara. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, what valley is this? The companions radiyallahu anhum replied, it is the valley Azraq. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, as if I were looking at Hazrat Moses alayhi salam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then mentioned his complexion and hair, which the reporter has forgotten, and said, Hazrat Moses alayhi salam has inserted his fingers in his ears and he is passing this valley pronouncing Allahumma labbaik. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, then we resumed our journey until we reached another valley. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, what valley is this? The companions radiyallahu anhum replied, it is Harsha or lift. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, as if I were looking at Hazrat Yunus John bin Matta alayhi salam riding on a red she camel whose nose ring is of palm bark, wearing a woolen robe, and he is passing this valley uttering Allahumma labbaik. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 420.